friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm just going to tell you that how to download Google Images or photos and which you can use in your YouTube videos. So many of you people will start using Google Images in your YouTube videos. So if you use those images, you will be getting copyright strikes or claims by using those pictures. For that you need to enable few options so that you will not get any strikes or claims. For that, go for Google and search whatever the images that you wanted to download. For example, I'm just showing you about backgrounds. So we have hundreds and hundreds of backgrounds images in Google. So it doesn't mean you can download all the images. For example, if you just download this image, you may get copyright strike or claim. Okay, so you need to have enabled a few options so that you will be getting a few background images, and that are free for use and you can use it as varied as you want. So for that I can just show you here. You found any license option right here, right? So I'll just zoom it right here. See here that any license option is present right here, right? So if you just have that option, you will be having the photos which will be paid promotion also. If you use those photos, the owner will be sending you the claims or strikes. So you'll have lots of images in that. If you click on any license, you will be having some images which you need to pay for those. So this is all about any license, and you have like free and share and use. So if you just click on that, you can just use it for free and you can just share those images, and also you can use it for free of cost. By using all these backgrounds, you will not get any copyright strike or claim in your YouTube videos, and your video will not be deleted because these are meant for free. So the owners has been set these images for free of cost, so you don't want it to pay any amount and you can use it for free absolutely. So if you just come to the next option, here we have free to share and use commercially. So this is also the same as before, but you need to use it for commercial purposes. Okay, if you use it for commercial purposes, you will not be getting any type of copyright strikes or claims in your videos. So these all are the backgrounds which are for commercial purposes. And coming to the next option, you can see that free to modify, share and use. So this means you can modify the image and then you can use it and you can share it for free of cost. Without modifying these images, you cannot use it. If you use it, you will be getting some strikes and claims on your videos. So you need to modify and then you need to use it, or you can share it. So these are the images that are available in modification category. Okay, and coming to the last and final option, which is also the same but in a commercial way. So as you all know that previous is just to modify and you wanted to use it, and these are the backgrounds which you need to use for commercial purposes with modification. So you need to use this with modification for commercial purposes only. So these all are about the options which you can use it. And coming to another search, that is I'm just showing you as butterflies. So you can just see lots and lots of images that are present here. As first, you will be having in any license option. If you use any of these photos, there may be some photos which cost money and you will be getting copyright strikes. So for that, if you do not want it to get any strikes or claims, please set it into the mode free to use, share. So the third option, as I have said, free to share and use. So keep in that option so that you will be not getting any strikes or claims. So these all are the images that are meant for free of cost. So you can use it safely and you can use it whatever the image that you want. Okay, these all are images which are meant for free of cost, so you can download it, and also you can just have free to modify, share and use also. So these two options will not give you any copyright strike, but when you just set it into free to share, use with modification, you just change the shade of that image at least. So mainly I use a free to share and use. So this is the image where you don't want it to change anything, but you can use it as it is in your YouTube videos. then you will not be getting any copyright strikes or claims. So I'm just downloading an image for a reference. So this is the image that I'm going to download. So it takes some time to download. After that, save it in your laptop or in your mobile, wherever that you want. So save at your folder which you wanted to download this image. After just saving, you will be starting, that image will be starting downloading. So after downloading, it will be opened and the image will be saved in your system successfully, and this image can be used wherever you want it to be in your YouTube videos. And that's it for this session. Hope it is helpful. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, so you will be getting all my notifications in further section. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.